One time somebody found out I was Filipino and they said, "Cool, I love lumpia." Hi, my name is Justin and welcome to my channel Nooks Cooks. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook lumpia, specifically Lumpiang Shanghai. There are 4 types of lumpia that I'm familiar with. Lumpiang Shanghai, which I'm going to prepare today, the most common type. Vegetable lumpia, also known as Lumpiang gulay, which has meat in it. Fresh lumpia, also known as Lumpiang ubod. And if you're from Hawaii, there's turon, which they call banana lumpia. Lumpia's origins are from China. In the Hokkien language, lun means soft, wet, or moist, and pia means cake. So together, soft cake. You can julienne the carrots, or you can buy pre-shredded carrots. Another option is to shred the carrots in a food processor yourself. Cubing the pork shoulder makes it easier to process in the following steps. I process it all in batches and evenly distribute the ingredients. If you want to be fancy, you can use a meat grinder. The egg yolk will help bind everything together. Ground shrimp is completely optional. This is my go-to lumpia wrapper. You can find it or something similar at any Asian grocery store in the frozen food section. Next, I'm carefully peeling and separating the lumpia wrappers. This was my job when I was a kid. Any wrappers that tore became a bonus snack. I wanted to try this hack where you put the lumpia filling in a half-gallon Ziploc bag and pipe it in like a pastry. Otherwise, you place it on the wrapper with a spoon. The filling is placed on the lower third of the wrapper. Then make sure the filling is even for even cooking. Flip up and over the bottom of the wrapper and tuck it in so the filling is secure. Fold in the sides and roll up to about 90% of the way up. There are multiple ways to seal the lumpia so it doesn't unravel while frying, including water or egg yolk. I like to use the lumpia filling itself. Because lumpia is time-consuming to prepare, I always make more than I can cook that day, and then I freeze it in a Ziploc bag in a single layer for later. Now it's time to fry the lumpia. Once the oil starts shimmering, or around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, fry the lumpia in batches, making sure not to crowd the pan. Frying the lumpia will take about 10 minutes until they're golden brown, like this. Okay, the lumpia is done. There are multiple ways you can eat it. You can eat it on its own, like an appetizer, or you can eat it as your ulam, or your main dish with rice. There are 2 types of sauces that I like to eat with lumpia. There's sweet chili sauce and there's banana ketchup. So In Kapampangan, mangantamo. Let's eat. So the Kapampangan word for the day is manyaman, which means delicious. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And comment down below if you notice the lumpia are behind me. Peace!